Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use offline maps in Google Maps. Stick around till the end. First of all, let's go ahead and while I'm online, must be online, search for a destination you'd like. Pop in that destination, so say a place like this, and then click on the name of it. So let's actually go ahead and type, for example, the Empire State Building. Okay, since we're here, we are going to be click either send to phone if you are using your computer, or in the phone. This tutorial should be followed in the phone, or click on save favorites. This will not download it, but this will actually save it to your phone simply. After this, click on send to phone. As I said, send it to your phone using your email, and then on the top, in the top corner, which you're going to find like 3 buttons, you're going to either, as I said, in the computer, for example, you'll be able to print this. You can add notes and stuff, and you'll be able to print this whole image like this, as you can see. So this is a way. Another way, as I said, in the phone, top right corner, and click on download. You'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye.